Hi guys, welcome back. I'm GnomeGamer364 and I will be here to play Minecraft. So I am video recording with my phone, so it might not be as well good. So what we're going to do today is we're going to make an automatic bamboo farm, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So let me just quickly do this. I'm sorry to keep you waiting. And guys, if you're on bedrock, So what we're going to do is we're going to create a normal world right here. I'm gonna get the classic texture pack because most people won't like the old texture pack. I mean the new one. Just switch the camera. Oh. So guys, I can hardly play. So sorry if I'm in the way. So what we're gonna do in this world, is it recording well? Yep, it's recording well. Sorry, my big head's in the way. So what we're gonna do in this world, what we need is some building blocks of your choice. We're gonna get a dispenser. Wait, you don't need a dispenser. Trying to remember. Hopping, those hoppers, yeah. And you need a piston or a sticky piston. You need, let me just go into here. You need redstone. You need a button or a lever. You'll need an observer. And yeah, that's it. So first, we'll go into a flat spot around this world. Here you go, here's a good spot. So first, you get the piston, and then you put in an observer. You go around, put an observer there, and then put a building block there, and then lure redstone around like that. Once you've done that, you'll put a hopper, you'll break a block here, put a hopper there, and then feel free to build a little building around it so nothing can get out of it. Ready? Yeah, okay. Sorry guys, that's my dad. So maybe you might need to build like a little staircase or something if it's up high to get to it. And then you'll just need to build the roof. We don't need much redstone to be seen to the public, am I right? And then you'll go through the door and yeah. And up to the advanced part. Sorry guys, advanced. It involves commands. So you need a command block for this second step. So if you don't know, just type in /give @SCOMMAND and then you do an underscore block. And there you go, you got a command block. So when you've got a command block, you go outside, go to a little bit of faraway place, like here. Then you go into the command block, you go command block input, and then type in you type in /setblock wait, let me get the coordinates, guys. Fast forward to get to the main video when you want. Intermission. If you don't know where the coordinates are, if you go in, break a few blocks, you go to the place in front of the piston and the observer, this block, and if you don't have show coordinates, you go down into the game settings and do show coordinates. So once you've done that, it'll show up right there, if you can see where my finger's pointing. And you write the coordinates, so you like that. It's -5, 69, 80. So I've written that down. I go back to my command block, and then I write in the coordinates. -5, 69, 80. And then you'll do a fixed problem, which will be, so you have to type in after the coordinates, yeah, bamboo sapling. When you've done that, oh yeah, I just forgot. Sorry. You need to do an underscore instead of a space. Bamboo sapling. So bamboo underscore sapling. Once it's registered, you go back out, you put a stone button down, or any type of button or lever. You press it, the block is placed. So you'll get your bamboo thing here, and after a bit of time, when it grows up, the dispenser will see it and then activate this to push it and go into here. So let me quickly get some bamboo to show you how it works. Bamboo, where are you? Bamboo. your bamboo. I mean, you can do this if it's not working. You place it up. Wait. Oh yeah, and if you can put a hole in the roof to make it have sunlight. Oh wait, no, don't do that. Well, that wasn't working, so go to settings. If you want it to work really fast, you scroll down from the game settings, random tick speed, and then you do 0, 0, 0. And once you've done that, you go back into the game, and then it'll grow really fast. And then it sees it, so that goes into the hopper. And here's the next step, guys. You break some holes in the ground. So you see the hopper. You need a chest for this next one. And you gotta break a hole under the hopper. Sorry for the glitchiness. And, I mean, not a command block. And you'll do a chest there. Wait. Yeah. So, when you open the chest, it'll put the bamboo inside the chest. So, sorry for the glitchiness, guys. So, when you've pressed the button and the piston presses, come on, yeah, it'll go into the hopper and then into the chest. When you open the chest, you get your bamboo. Wait, yay! So, you got bamboo. There's your bamboo farm. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Like the video. And see you later.